Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, we are mid-October and I had to bundle up. I swear 2 days ago I was wearing short sleeves out here doing yard work. So man, it is chilly. Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a midweek cook, and to be honest, I was so busy over the weekend I didn't really prepare a cook for you. So guys, I'm doing some wings tonight. My goal here is to just get them done before dark. So I just want to bring you guys along. I believe my last cook was the pork steaks I did using the St. Elmo's steak seasoning and St. Elmo's root beer glaze. And guys, just to try to use up some of that glaze, I just kind of want to use that on these chicken wings. Just give her a try, guys. Midweek cook. I'm just trying to get you a cook in for the week, and I hope you enjoy it. Come on. Hey guys, this is roughly, I don't know, 2 or 3 pounds, 2.5. I think it's about 2.5 pounds. Just frozen chicken wings I had down in the deep freeze, and I'm rinsed them off. I patted them dry as much as I can, and I'm just gonna coat them with a little olive oil. Might help the skin crisp up a little bit on the grill. Just get in there and rub her in. Don't need a whole lot. Maybe just a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm gonna come in here. You see me use this just last week. It's that St. Elmo Steak seasoning. They actually recommend it for chicken too, so I'm anxious just to see what it tastes like. I haven't decided on a wood yet, or even if I'm going to use a wood. I probably will. What do you think? Hickory? Apple? Let's see. Let's see any that didn't get coated. We'll pick them up individually. Alright guys, if that fire comes up, we're going to get them on. We'll cook them indirect, add a little smoke to them, and get her grilled up. Alright, close enough. Setting up our pretty typical 2-zone fire. Bring this up to 10. Alright guys, we're going to put these indirect for a little bit. Not for too long. We just want to get a little smoke on them. And one more. For a little smoke, I'm just coming in with just 1 piece of apple wood. About all we're going to need for this whole cook. Alright guys, we'll check back in about 15 minutes or so. Alright guys, we're a little over, I don't know, a little over 10 to 12 minutes. I just want to come in and give these guys a quick turn. We're going to go a little bit longer, just get a little extra smoke on there. And then we're going to just start grilling them off. Get these things done. My gang is hungry. I'm a little hungry myself. I'll be back in about 10 minutes or so, and we will start grilling these off. Alright guys, I'm calling this. Let's get in here, get over some direct heat. It's gonna go pretty quick here. And I'll have to flip these quite a bit. Get in there. Okay. We'll check back in a few minutes, give these guys a flip. guys, we've only been about 5 minutes, but I want to give these guys a flip. We gotta start flipping pretty often. We have to move them around some too for some even cooking. Once they're in the middle, get some good char already. I will not bore you with every little turn I do. But we'll keep checking back every few minutes until they are done. Alright, give these a flip and check some temps. I bet we're starting to get close here. Yeah, we got some good char on that one. We should have started it at the end, huh? Out the bone. Yeah, that one's getting moved. The flats always finish up first. Stay off the bone. Yep. Here's when we start moving stuff around, guys. Pull these some indirect. Definitely. Around 190, 195 is where I like to see them. Guys, I'm gonna keep doing this. We're gonna come back in a few minutes when they're all up to temp, and we're gonna glaze these off a little bit. I want you right there. Guys, we're just checking these last few here. 190, 192. We're good to go there. Very impressed. I'll check this one off the heat. Yeah, 195. I'm gonna get these glazed and get them inside to eat. Alright guys, just like before, I'm using that St. Elmo's root beer glaze. I won't show you all of this. I'm just gonna get these guys glazed up. I'll probably do this a couple times on each side, and I'll see you inside. This stuff is thick. Especially in this cold air. Let me get these guys off of here. Folks, I'll go in, feed my family, and we'll get this a taste. Now that is a plate of wings. Hey, what the lighting in here is horrible tonight. It's alright, we're gonna make this work. Beautiful glaze. It's that St. Elmo's root beer glaze. It's really good on the pork steaks. I want to try it right here on these wings. You know, as much as I love that on the pork steaks, I think I like it better on the chicken. Delicious. Another bite. Yeah. I won't bore you with the rest of that. I'm gonna fill up this plate with some wings, get some mac and cheese behind me. I'm gonna go over and join my family for dinner. Guys, thank you as always. This was delicious. If you're ever out in the supermarket and you see this on a little kiosk at the end of an aisle, give it a try. That's where I found it. It was just by chance. I seen it, I tried the seasoning before, and I said I'm gonna give this a try. It is delicious. I've had it on pork steaks and now on some chicken wings. So guys, it is delicious. This is kind of a rush cook for me. The weather turned, I did a lot of yard work, worked around the house over the weekend, so I didn't do the long cook that I kind of wanted to do. But I wanted to get you a cook, and this is good. And I did beat, the sun was just going down past the horizon when I finished up, so it's delicious. So guys, thank you as always. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button and hit that bell to notify you every time we get a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye.